Hey guys, here today showing you how to replace a battery on a 2004 Chrysler PT Cruiser. This will work for all of the PT Cruisers, as there's only one generation of them. So unfortunately they put the battery in a pretty dumb spot right underneath this airbox here, right here in this area. So you'll need to take out this airbox in order to gain access to the battery, which is underneath. First thing you'll need to do is to disconnect this here intake air temperature sensor. There's a little red tab on it that you need to slide it up with your finger. Kind of looks like these over here. You slide it up, then you can squeeze you'll slide this here portion up right here. As you can see, this guy right here slides up and down. You need to slide it up to unlock it, and then you'll press right here on the back black part to take it off. Then you need to loosen up the 8mm clamp, like so. You can loosen up the other side as well that goes to the throttle body. Then if you look down on the front here, there are two, they're just metal tabs, so that you can lift this whole guy up and then just wiggle this whole thing free and pull it off of the throttle body, like so. These are the little clips I was talking about here. Then you'll see you have some access to the batteries right now. So if you'll take out the air filter, this whole box right here, it'll just pop straight out when you lift it up. It'll just pop out of place like this. Then you can loosen up this guy right here. Be careful that you don't break it. Just should be able to slide it off. And you can lift this entire box out. Okay, looking straight down now, you'll notice that there are two bolts. We don't need to worry about this 10mm right here. We're after this one right here, which is a 13mm. You need to loosen that up and remove it completely, and then this whole plastic hold down here will come off. After you do that, you can go on ahead and loosen up the battery terminals. I believe that they are 11mm. Let me double check here. Nope. They are 10mm, at least on these. So go on ahead and loosen that up. Then loosen these two up and remove them. Then you should be able to just pull the battery straight up out of there. So we'll go on ahead and do that now. Let me go ahead and take the battery out. Then you go on ahead and reinstall your new battery and tighten up the terminals and tighten up the 13mm hold down. And go ahead and tighten the terminals back up. And then we'll put the hold down back on. Just like so. Now the battery is back on tight. So now you can go on ahead and reinstall the airbox. The bottom portion, it just pushes straight back down into the two little rubber grommets there. Don't forget to put the breather hose back on. It'll just pop in just like so. Then you can go on ahead and reinstall the airbox lid. You have to put this back on and tighten up the 8mm clamps. Like so. Don't forget to reattach the 2 clips on the side. And don't forget to reattach the intake air temperature sensor and slide the red clip back down. I'll go ahead and tighten up both the clamps. And just like that, it is done. So if you have any comments or questions, please ask them in the comment section below. First time to the channel, thanks for stopping by. You guys can feel free to hit the like button if this helped you out, as it helps me out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the way out. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.